These are the ehaho party lights. These lights have at the same time a disco ball light, laser lights, UV lights, and strobing lights. In this video, I'm gonna show you what comes in their box, and I'm gonna also show you how to operate them, and you're gonna see that it is really very simple to operate them, but at the same time they are very effective party lights, and we'll be testing them by blasting some music from my JBL Flip 7 speaker. And also, of course, I'm gonna tell you at the end what I like and what I don't like about them. So let's start first by showing you what comes in their box. Let's open the box. You have a user manual, some cleaning tools, a remote control, and this is a power cord, and these are the party lights. They are not too heavy, only 2 kilograms, and this is all you get in the box. On the back of the party lights, you have the power cord input, the on-off button, and this is the microphone input holes, and these are to control the lights, and also you can control the lights, of course, using the remote control. And this is here the DMX output and DMX in case you want to use professional equipment to manage these lights. On the sides of the lights, you have venting holes here, and this is a venting fan. And on the front, you have the light. Be very careful with the laser lights in case there is a housing that is broken, or if you notice that the laser lights don't work properly, just stop using this light, because laser beams can be very harmful if they are not used properly. Never look at the laser beams directly and never point them towards people's eyes. The remote control operation is very easy and straightforward. First of all, you need to remove the plastic covering here so that the remote control can be operated. And you have the on-off buttons, and you have DMX in case you connect the box to a DMX controller. And you have these auto buttons here, and auto for disco, for instance. And also you can control the UV, of course, the LED lights, and all the other aspects of the lights with this remote control. Now, to mount these lights, unfortunately, these lights don't come with any mounting material, but they have this bracket here, and it has 3 holes. So if you want to hang them from the ceiling, make sure that to put screws here and hang them tightly in the ceiling. Now I want to put them on my tripod. And to be able to put them on the tripod, I got the shoe of the tripod, and also I got like something to screw on the shoe here. So I'm gonna put the shoe of the tripod here, making sure that the 1/4" screw goes into one of these small holes, and then I'm gonna screw it here like this. So this way I can put it on my tripod. So now it is installed here, and to put it on the tripod, just put it like this, and then make sure that it is tight so it doesn't fall. Now you have these 2 screws here that you need to tighten. So angle it a little bit on the top so to avoid the direct laser light to go into people's eyes. And here it is installed on my tripod. Now let's try it. To test the lights and to give you a real feel for them, I'm gonna be recording the lights from behind and also using my DJI Osmo Action 4 camera to show you like the ambient lighting. Before starting the test, I wanted to let you know about this warning. There will be flashing lights in the following sequence, so be very careful if you are susceptible for these lights. And of course, as I said, I'll be blasting music from my JBL Flip 7, royalty-free music. So let's start the test.
Chasing the horizon with you.
Now, what I like about these lights is that they have very good lighting that can fill up a very wide room, and also they have good lighting effects, and they work very well with sound activation, and also they are very well built. What I don't like about them is first that they advertise them on Amazon that they are 6-in-1 lights, whereas they are 4-in-1 lights. Even the documentation that comes with the light, it says 4-in-1. So they are disco lights, UV lights, laser lights, and stroboscope. And also what I don't like about them is that they don't come with any mounting hardware. If you want to check out these lights, I'm going to leave affiliate links in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you like my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.